Hi everyone, welcome to my maths classes. Dear friends, in previous session we have discussed solutions of exercise 1.3, particularly up to two problems. Okay, up to second problems we have solved. Now in this session we are going to solve the next question which is in same exercise, that is find x plus y divided by x minus y if x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4 in this case, and also in the second case, that is x is equal to 1 by 4, y is equal to 3 by 2. So we are going to solve this problem. So before that, I hope you are already watched the first two videos related to this exercise. If you do not watch, please go through those videos and watch this video. Okay, so in this question, the required is x plus y divided by x minus y. So where x comma y are given here, x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, clear? Now in this, first one I am writing. So what is given here, x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, x is equal to 5 by 2, y is equal to minus 3 by 4. So in this, we have to find the value of x plus y and x minus y. Then we have to divide x plus y by x minus y. So that I am finding first x plus y value. So x plus y in the sense, we have to add the values of x and y. Here x and y are the fractions. Sorry, that means rational numbers. We should not say minus 3 by 4 is a fraction. It is a rational number. So 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. If you remove the brackets, then it becomes 5 by 2 plus into minus 3 by 4. So we know how to simplify fractions, is it? So what is the LCM of 2 comma 4? The LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4 itself, because 2 divides 4 exactly. So that here 4 is the LCM. So 2 divides 4 2 times. So 5 into 2, that is 10, minus 4 divides 4 one time, is it? 4 1s are 4. So that you have to multiply 3 by that quotient. 4 1s are 4. So now 3 1s are 3. So 10 minus 3 value is how much? 7 by 4. 10 minus 3 is 7 whole by 4. So this is the value of x plus y. Okay. Now we have to find another one is x minus y here. So what I have to find? X minus y. Here what is x? Again the value of x is as 5 by 2 minus of y value is minus 3 by 4. So keep in bracket minus 3 by 4. So if we simplify, we get here 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 4. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Again we have to find the LCM of, in the case of simplification of fractions, we have to take the LCM of the denominators, is it? So that what is the LCM of 2 comma 4? So the LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4 itself. So that 4 is the LCM. Again same, 2 divides 4 2 times. So 5 into 2 10 plus 4 divides 4 one time. So 3 into 1 3. So 13 by 4. This is the value of x minus y, that is equal to 13 by 4. This is the value of x minus y, that is equal to 13 by 4. Now required is, we have to find x plus y divided by x minus y. Okay. Now what is x plus y here? The value of x plus y is 7 by 4 divided by the value of x minus y is how much here? 13 by 4. So 13 by 4. Okay, clear? Now, so we have to divide a rational number by another rational number. So it is possible only when we change the sign of here division sign into multiplicative sign. So multiplication. So 7 by 4 into, right, instead of division sign, into, then you have to write the reciprocal of 13 by 4. That is 4 by 13. So what is the value here? 4 by 13. So 4 4 gets cancelled. is it? So now 7 1 are 7, 4 1 are 4, 7 1 are 7 by 13. So this is the value of x plus y by x minus y. This is the value of x plus y by x minus y. Is it clear? Now the second part of this question we are going to solve, that is x is equal to 1 by 4, y is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so simple, same like this. In this way, how to solve the same question, that is x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 3 by 2. We have to substitute the values of x and y in this and we have to simplify. See here, we have considered x value 5 by 2 and y value minus 3 by 4 in the first case. So I have added first two, then again I have subtracted and I divided x plus y by x minus y. In the same way, how to solve second one also. Okay. So now second one is keep pause and write the solution. Okay. Now the second one is here x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to, x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 3 by 2. Y is equal to 3 by 2. So again first here x plus y, you have to add x and y, then you have to we have to find the difference between x and y, then we have to divide x plus y by x minus y. Is it clear? So first I am going to do addition of these two rational numbers, that is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So this is the solution of first one. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Here the denominators are 2 comma 4. So what is the LCM of 2 comma 4? 4 itself. Already it is well known for us. Since 2 is a factor of 4, so 4 is the LCM here. So 4 divides 4 one time. Am I correct? 1 into 1 plus 2 divides 4 2 times. So that 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. 7 by 4. So in this case also we got the value of x plus y 7 by 4 itself. Is it? Now we have to find the value of x minus y. Here what is x? 1 by 4 minus what is y? 3 by 2. Now what is the LCM of 4 comma 2? Again same story. So 4 divides 4 one time. So 1 into 1 minus 2 divides 4 two times. So 3 into 2 6. So 1 minus 6 minus 5 by 4. Since both are having different signs, so that we should subtract and we have to keep the sign which is opposite to gradation number. The sign opposite to gradation number is here minus, so negative sign, so we should keep negative. So the value of x minus y is negative value. We got minus 5 by 4. The value of x plus y is how much we got here? 7 by 4. Okay, clear this about this? Yes. Now we have to divide x plus y by x minus y. X plus y by x minus y. That is equal to, what is the value of x plus y? 7 by 4 divided by, clear? Now I am going to write the value of x minus y, that is minus 5 by 4. Is it clear? Minus 5 by 4. Now as we know that 7 by 4, if I convert the division sign into multiplicative sign, we have to write the reciprocal of minus 5 by 4 is 4 by minus 5. In the case of reciprocal, they don't change the, no change in the sign, only change in the interchanging of denominator and numerator. Okay, so I have interchanged. Now 4 1 are 4 again. Yes, so 7 into 1 7 by minus 5. 1 into minus 5 minus 1. Okay. So usually we write, while writing rational numbers, we denote minus sign for the numerator. Therefore, x plus y divided by x minus y value is how much? Minus 7 by 5. What is the value of x plus y divided by x minus y? Minus 7 by 5. Is it clear? So in this way, how to solve this type of problems? Whether it is easy or not, it is very easy. Just you have to know how to find the LCM and simplification of fractions. Okay, so these are rational numbers. When you simplify it, these becomes fractions, and we have to either subtraction or addition we have to do. Is it clear? Yes. In the same way, we solve fourth problem also. Dear friends, now we are going to solve question number 4 in the same exercise. This is the most important model in arithmetic part, that is here divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. See, here is sum and product is given. So sum of these two rational numbers and product of these two rational numbers. Is it clear? So like this we have to analyze the question. In this analysis we have to find the sum of these two rational numbers. So first I am finding sum of these two rational numbers. So sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 is equal to how much? That is minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Is it clear? Now what is the LCM of 5 comma 7? Since 5 comma 7 has no common factor other than 1, so their product is their LCM. Is it? So since 5 comma 7 don't have any common factor, so that 5 comma 7 LCM of 5 comma 7 is 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. So here 5 divides 35 7 times, so minus 13 into 7 plus 7 divides 35 5 times, 7 5 are 35. So here quotient is 5, so multiply 12 by that quotient 5. So minus 13 into 7, how much? 13 into 7 is 91. So minus 91 plus 12 5 are 60. So minus 91 plus 60. Minus 91 plus 60. How much? Minus 91 plus 60 is equal to minus 31 by 35. Since both numbers have different sign, so that we should subtract from bigger. We should subtract smaller number from bigger number. Okay, then we have to give sign which is opposite to the greatest number, greater number. Okay, so that minus 31 by 35, it is sum of these two rational numbers. Now they are asking to find the product of these two rational numbers. What are those two rational numbers? Sum is completed. Now product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. That is how much? Then its product is minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. While going to multiply two rational numbers, you have to multiply numerator into numerator. So that means minus 13 into minus 1 by 7 into 2. That gives us plus 13. Minus into minus plus 13 1 is 13. So 13 by 7 2 is 14. 13 by 14. This is the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So here we got a product. Product of these two rational numbers is 13 by 14. Now question is, see here, twist. We have to divide the sum of these two rational numbers by product of these two rational numbers. That means what I have to divide? Now what I have to do? Divide sum of these two rational is how much? Sum of these two rational numbers is how much? That is minus 31 by 35. Divide by this, by write as it is. And we have completed this one task and we have completed this one also. Yes, by what is the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2? That is 13 by 4. Sorry, 13 by 14. 13 by 14, is it clear? So now I have written the statement like this. Now see, it is clear. We know that what is our immediate task, that is divide minus 31 by 35 by 13 by 14. Then our problem, the solution of the problem will complete. That is, so minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. Okay, actually we should write step by step. So because of no place here, so I am writing right side minus 31 by 35, and then now I am going to change the division sign into multiplication sign. So while writing, we can write like this. When the divisor is here 13 by 14, we should write the reciprocal of this divisor immediately. Then only it is correct. Okay. So while converting division sign into multiplicative symbol or multiplicative sign, we should write the reciprocal of this divisor. Okay. Now here the common table is 7 2 is 7 5 is. Is there any other common table? No. So that if we simplify it, we get minus 31 into 2 is minus 62 whole by 5 into 13. 13 5 is 65. So what is our final answer? That is minus 62 by 65. So this is the way we have to solve this solution. Is it this problem? Sorry, in this way you have to solve this question. So is it easy or not? Very easy. Just you have to divide the question into some parts. Okay. See, I have divided sum of minus 13 by 5 and 20 by 7 one part. The product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2 another part. Then the third one is divide the sum by this product. That is required actually. So we simplified in easy way. Is it? Whether it is easy or not? It's very easy. So my dear students, so keep it in pause and write the solution. Okay, so these are the two problems in exercise 1.3. Okay, in next video I will explain remaining problems. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button. So I hope you are all clear about this solution. So don't forget to hit the like button. And my dear friends, if you do not subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Thank you.